Okay, hello students. So you can see your exam in progress over here. Himanshi on in progress. That means this student is giving the exam. Aditya not yet started. Jyoti not yet started. And let's check more. Gaurav finished in 5 minutes. Always in focus. Pranav finished in 8 minutes, but this is unfocused. This should not be there. Unfocused 2 times. Unfocused 2 times means he went out of the form 2 times. Now this score is not the actual score, because manually we have to check it, because for some questions we haven't given any marks, so we have to manually check it. Finish in 9 minutes, always in focus. Auto close, not finished, unfinished. Mansi, time is over. Within time you have to complete it. The time is over, so you didn't finish on time, so it's written over here on time over. Finish in 12 minutes, always in focus. So you can see over here 7 minutes. Finish in progress means still doing this or her work. In progress, comma, still in progress. Completed in 4 minutes, in progress. Finished in 13 minutes, always in focus. Finish in 1 minute, always in focus. Oh, this was mine. Time over, it shouldn't be time over. Before time you have to click on the submit button. And some of the students, they are not checking their email IDs. You will get your, suppose this is your classroom. To open your email, either you can click on directly this button over here, or click on Gmail directly. You can write Gmail. Just click over here, go to Gmail, and you can in Gmail you will find the link. Don't look for the link in your class. You have to open the Gmail account, and in Gmail account here you will find your link over there, and then you have to click on the link. So suppose this is the Gmail account, so this you have to click on the link that has been provided to you. This link you have to click, and then you have to click on the open form. So when you click on the open form, so when you click on open the form, this window will appear. It will display your form. Since I've already given the exam, so link is not found or has already been used, this message is coming. So as this is only one time form, one time open form, so you can't open it 2 times. So this is how you are going to open it. You have to click on your email ID, inbox. You have to go to the inbox, and there you will find this Disant redemo. Where is Disant? So again you can see over here Himanshi is still doing, is giving the exam. Unfocused 1 times. This student is gone out of the form 1 time. Aditya not started. Finished in 5 minutes. 9 minutes finished. Akshat, Abhijit not started. Jyoti not yet started. Akshat not started. Pranav finished. Mansi, time was over. Finished. Rajan, time over. How come? Disan, time over. Jia finished in 7 minutes. Srivardhan finished in 7 minutes. Rohit finished. Kamal, time was over. Harshita finished. Tanisha in progress. Gunjan finished. So this is how you are going to give your exam. So if you are having any queries, you can ask the queries to me through WhatsApp or telephonically also, if you are having any query.